Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, y'all, this has been like a struggle. Get it right. This has been like a struggle week for me because I have been sick. I haven't been feeling good, so I haven't been able to film like I wanted to. But I've really been wanting to get some videos out for you guys. But like I said, it's just been so hard with me being sick, not feeling well, not having enough time, having to continue to go on with work. It's just been so difficult to film, but never fail. I'm back and I'm here. I'm not gonna disappoint you guys this week. I'm going to try to get as many videos up as I can. Today I kind of had a free break to kind of just film and get some more content out for you guys, and just to relax and rest. And filming is kind of like therapeutic for me. It's hard work, but doing the makeup part is like really, just therapeutic for me. So it was just nice to have a chance to just really sit down and just have a chance to really just do makeup for you guys. But yeah, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Nikki. I forgot to say that in the beginning. I'm sorry, y'all. Let me get right. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nikki. For those of you who do know me, you've been watching my videos and supporting, welcome back. For new viewers and hopefully new subscribers, welcome. I hope you find just what you're looking for within this channel. If you have any requests for any types of videos, any types of makeup looks, please be sure to link them below down in the description box. I also have all of my social media information linked down below in the description box. But always leave comments. I love to see what you guys think of my looks, feedback, any products that you want me to try, to review, any tips and tricks that you think like, Nikki, you could do this a little bit better if you try it this way. I love feedback. I'm still learning. We're gonna learn and grow together. So welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back for those of you who are already here, who are already been watching my videos. You're already subscribed. You know the drill. Thank you guys so much for watching. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this blue kind of smoky eye here with a little pinch of aqua in the inner corner. I really honestly did not know what I wanted to film today. I wanted to do something green because it was like fall. I wanted to do kind of like an olive green, which I may still do. But then I was like, I don't really wear blue a lot, so let me go ahead and let me just do something that's just blue. And I don't really like working with blue sometimes because it's so hard to work with. It gets everywhere. Like a little bit even got here, but I was like, you know what? I don't even care. Like it just got everywhere. So, and then I did my eyes first, as you will see in the video, which I hate doing my eyes first. I like doing the foundation, the base, and then my eyes and brows and everything like that. So I did my brows and my eyes first, which is something I don't normally do, but I did it this time, and I don't really prefer to do it that way. But hey, anywho. Alright, I'm gonna stop rambling because I don't want to talk you guys' head off, and I know you're probably interested in seeing how I got this look. So of course, without further ado, if you want to see this tutorial, then just continue watching. Hey, what's up, you guys? So the first thing I'm going to do is take the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette. This is the Kaleidoscope Dream palette. I'm gonna take the shade Tagine. I think I'm saying that color correctly. It's a really pretty like burnt orange color, and I'm going to pop that into my crease. I'm going to go back and forth like windshield wiper motion, like a windshield wiper motion. I'm going to do the same for both eyes. This is going to be my crease color. Not really like a transition color, but I just love this color in the crease when I work with blue. Next, I'm going to use a Sephora Luster Matte shade in the shade Sailor Kiss, and I'm going to pop this shadow all over my lid, kind of like cutting my crease as well. So I'm just going to focus that shadow solely on the lid. It's not going to go above, it's just going to be on the lid. And this shadow is a really dark matte blue shadow. It kind of looks black on camera, but it is a blue shadow. So I'm taking this eyeshadow as my base. I'm going to use this as a base for the blue that I'm going to apply on top. So I am going to apply another blue on top of this blue, but I wanted to use this as a base to really kind of get the blue that I'm going to use next a little bit more vibrant and to make it pop a little bit more. For the second blue I'm going to apply, I'm going to use the shade TRM from the Kristen Leanne Urban Decay Kaleidoscope palette, and I'm going to pop that right onto that navy blue matte shadow that I applied first. And this just makes that blue really just pop and become more vibrant, and as I apply it, you will see how. Next, I'm taking the shade 13th Floor out of the palette, and this is a really dark matte black shadow. Oh, it's just like the darkest black ever, and I love it because I love like a real black. And I'm just taking that shadow and I'm just kind of winging it out because I'm not applying eyeliner. So I'm going to take that black shadow just to create a wing in the outer corner. Alright you guys, so now that's pretty much it for the eyes for right now. Next I'm going to go in and I'm do some color correcting, and I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this is the orange correcting concealer, and I'm going to just apply it all over my dark spots because this week I've really just been having trouble trying to get rid of those dark spots. They just been showing through more. I haven't been breaking out, but dark spots have been my trouble. For foundation today, I'm using the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and I'm using the shade Amber. I recently purchased this foundation over the weekend, and I've been loving it so much. I feel like the coverage is just amazing, and it covers up, coverage is amazing, and it covers any blemishes that I have, and it works. I could have done without the orange concealer, but I wanted to apply it just as a helper. But this foundation is super dope. I love it. I love the consistency. I love the coverage. Next, I'm going in with the MAC the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in this shade NC42. This is just a couple of shades lighter than my skin tone to just give me that pop and highlight that I'm looking for. And again, as I always do, I'm just going to take it and apply it underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my chin, cupid's bow, and my forehead, just to kind of get those areas just popping and bring them forth. So after that, I'm just going to take a brush and I'm going to just go in and just blend this concealer out. I love this MAC concealer so much. MAC makes like the best concealers to me. I think these concealers and the Tarte concealers have to be like my favorite. I love the consistency. I love the coverage. I love that they're easy to blend, easy to work with, not too messy, and it just gives me that coverage that I need, and it gives me the brightness that I need as well. So I'm just going to continue blending. Alright you guys, so next I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick, and I'm using the shade, let me check because I don't want to say the wrong shade, but I want to say Espresso or Truffle. No, it's Truffle. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick, and this is in the shade Truffle, and I'm just using it to contour. I don't know why I want to say Espresso. I'm thinking about LA Girl Pro or something else. I don't know. But it's in Truffle. Then next I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana, and I'm just setting everywhere that I applied that concealer. Alright, once I've set everything, I'm going to go in my Black Radiance Pressed Powder in the shade Cafe, and I'm going to do some extra contouring. This is just going to also help to set that cream contour to keep it in place and keep it from moving. Just locks it right on in. This is why I love using the powder on top of the cream products that I use. And then I'm also just blending out the contour that I did on my nose. I'm using that same powder. Don't use anything different. I use that same powder. I just didn't cream contour my nose. Next, I'm taking some of that Makeup Revolution baking powder, and I'm just cleaning up my contour so it's nice and sharp. Alright you guys, so now I'm going in with the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Foundation Powder in the shade Warm Beige. And I'm going to use that to just set everywhere I applied concealer. This is just going to help me just kind of get a little bit more brighter. Alright, I'm going in with the Maybelline Masterchrome Molten Gold highlight, which is my favorite highlight. Oh, I love it so much. I'm just going to highlight my face. Then I'm going in with the Revlon Color Stay eyeliner. And I'm going to use this to line my lower lash line. And I'm going back in with that blue shade from the Urban Decay palette, which is TRM. And I'm going in the inner corner with the shade LCW. And last but not least, for lips, I am applying this Ulta Beauty lipstick. It's pink chocolate. It's a nude lipstick, one of my favorites. And that's the completed look, you guys. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one.